Welcome to the video on free AI coding. You can run AI coding assistants without API keys or subscriptions, entirely locally on your machine. The monthly cost is $0. We will show you how to bypass the cloud and run your coding assistant locally. This means zero token costs and local execution. Think of it as swapping the engine while keeping the car. The assistant interface is the chassis, and we route it to a local model server instead of a paid cloud API. Here is a reality check on speed versus privacy. Cloud APIs are fast, but your data leaves your machine. Local models are slower, but 100% private and cost $0 forever. They are best for daily coding and prototypes. Step 1. Install the local server. This environment is specifically designed to containerize and run AI models locally. Step 2. Pull the 7.2 GB open source model. It runs smoothly on just 8 GB of RAM, features a 128K context window, and handles multimodal inputs. Step 3. The crucial fix is to expand the context to 64K. Most tutorials skip this, but the assistant needs at least 64,000 tokens of space to read your files and plan its approach. Step 4. Launch inside your editor. Toggle your IDE terminal, launch the assistant, and select your newly downloaded local model. Zero API configuration is required. The result is 100% private with zero API keys. Your code and prompts never leave your machine, ensuring no vendor lock-in and no token charges.